Next example, express the following numbers in the form x plus iy. Okay. Here, first example is under root 3 into cos pi by 6 plus I into sin pi by 6. Here the number in the polar form. Okay, here r into cos theta plus I sin theta. We convert into in the form of x plus yi. Okay, now let z is equal to under root 3, it is the value of r, cos pi by 6 plus I into sin pi by 6. Okay, we find the values of x and y. Therefore, x is equal to r cos theta and y is equal to r sin theta. It is r cos theta, r sin theta. Okay, therefore, here x is equal to r cos theta. Therefore, we can write under root 3 into cos theta. And then it is under root 3 into cos pi by 6. It is a root 3 by 2. And then it is 3 by 2. It is r cos theta, that is x is equal to 3 by 2. And y is equal to r sin theta. Okay. Therefore, it is under root of r is under root 3 into sin theta. Therefore, under root 3 into 1 by 2. And then it is a root 3 by 2. Okay. It is x and y. And therefore, z can be written in the x plus yi or iy. Okay. Then x 3 by 2 plus under root 3 by 2 I. It is the complex number. 3 by 2 plus under root 3 I. Then next, it is number in the polar form. We can write it is in the form of x plus iy. Okay, 3 by 2 it is a real part and root 3 by 2 it is a imaginary part. X is equal to r cos theta and y is equal to r sin theta. Next example, under root 2 into cos of 7 pi by 4 plus I into sin 7 pi by 4. Okay. Now, here let it is z is equal to under root 2 into cos 7 pi by 4 plus I into sin 7 pi by 4. This number is in the complex, it is polar form. Therefore, here r is equal to 2, sorry, it is under root 2 and theta is equal to 7 pi by 4. Okay. Now, here we find the value of cos 7 pi by 4 and sin 7 by 4. We know that the value is only in the form of acute angle. Then it is not formed in acute angle. It is 7 pi by 4. So here we use the allied angle formula. Okay. Now first we find the value of cos 7 pi by 4. Cos 7 pi by 4 is equal to cos. Here it is a 7 pi by 4. That means 2 pi minus pi by 4. Okay. Allied angle formula 90, 180, 270 and 360. That is pi by 2 plus theta, pi by 2 minus theta, pi plus theta, pi minus theta, 3 pi by 2 plus theta, 3 pi by 2 minus theta, and 2 pi plus theta, 2 pi minus theta. Here we use it is 2 pi minus theta. Here 7 pi by 4, it is 2 pi minus pi by 4. That is calculation, it is 8 minus pi, that is 7 pi by 4. And then here cos 2 pi minus theta, it is a cos theta, that is cos pi by 4. Okay, and cos pi by 4, it is 1 by under root 2. Here 2 pi minus theta, same as sin 7 pi by 4, it is sin, again same 7 pi minus pi by 4 is equal to sin, it is minus sin pi by 4, and then it is minus 1 by under root 2. Okay, here we use the formula sin 2 pi minus theta is equal to minus sin theta, and cos 2 pi minus theta is equal to cos theta. Here we use these two formulas. Sin 2 pi minus theta, 2 pi minus theta is equal to minus sin theta, and cos 2 pi minus theta is equal to cos theta. Okay, now it is the value of cos 7 pi by 4 and sin 7 pi by 4. Therefore x is equal to r cos theta, that is r root 2 into cos 7 pi by 4, and cos 7 pi by 4, it is 1 by root 2, it is root 2 into 1 by root 2, and that is equal to 1. Y is equal to r sin theta, therefore root 2 into sin 7 pi by 4, and then it is root 2 into minus 1 by root 2, and then it is minus 1, and therefore z is equal to 1 minus I. X, and it is y. X is equal to 1 and y is equal to minus 1. It is a form in x plus y. That is, it is z is equal to x plus y. X, it is 1 and y is equal to minus 1. Okay. Now we see next. Here it is r and it is theta. We find the values of cos 7 pi by 4 and sin 7 pi by 4 using the allied angle formula. Okay, it is the formula, allied angle formula. Sin 2 pi minus theta is equal to minus sin theta, and cos 2 pi minus theta is equal to cos theta. Next, 7 into cos minus 5 pi by 6 plus I into sin minus 5 pi by 6. Okay. Now it is a z cos minus 5 pi by 6 plus I into sin minus 5 pi by 6. Okay. Therefore here r is equal to 7 and theta is equal to minus 5 by 6. First we find the value of cos minus 5 pi by 6 and sin minus 5 pi by 6. Therefore cos minus 5 pi by 6. Here first use the negative angle formula, that is cos 5 pi by 6. Here we use cos minus theta is equal to cos theta. Okay. Negative angle formula, cos minus theta is equal to cos theta. Now it is 5 pi by 6 converted into 2 pi minus pi by 6, or it is 1 minute, pi minus pi by 6. It is 6 pi minus pi, it is 5 pi. And then again here cos pi minus theta, cos pi minus theta is minus theta, minus cos theta. Okay, again here is cos pi minus theta is equal to minus cos theta. It is the value of cos, and therefore it is minus cos pi by 6. Again it is minus 1 by root 3 by 2. Therefore cos minus 5 pi by 6 is equal to minus root 3 by 2. Now find the sine. Same procedure. Sine minus 5 pi by 6 is equal to minus sine 5 pi by 6, because sine minus theta is equal to minus sine theta. Okay, negative angle formula. Then it is minus sine 5 pi by 6, it is pi minus pi by 6. Again here with the allied angle formula, therefore it is minus as it is. And sine pi minus theta, it is a positive. Sine pi minus theta, it is sine theta. Sine pi minus theta is equal to sine theta, it is the formula. Okay. Now sine minus 5 pi by 6 is equal to minus 1 by 2. Okay. Sine pi by 6, it is 1 by 2, and therefore x is equal to r cos theta, that is r 7 into cos minus 5 pi by 6, and that is equal to 7 into minus root 3 by 2, that is minus 7 under root 3 by 2. It is the value of x. And y, r sin theta, it is 7 into sine minus 5 pi by 6 is equal to 7 into minus 1 by 2, that is minus 7 by 2, and therefore z, x plus yi, x, it is minus 7 under root 3 by 2 and minus 7 by 2 r. It is the complex number. Okay. Values of cos minus 5 pi by 6 and sine minus 5 pi by 6. ओके, व्यवस्थित पहा. आता हे अलाइड अँगल यूज केलेत ते आपण फर्स्ट पेपरमध्ये ट्रिग्नॉमेट्रिक फंक्शन या चॅप्टरमध्ये यायचं. फर्स्ट पेपर 11च्या फर्स्ट पेपरमध्ये ट्रिग्नॉमेट्रिक फंक्शन फर्स्ट, इट इज सेकंड चॅप्टरमध्ये. ओके, नाउ नेक्स्ट. Next example, e to the power pi by 3i. Okay, the complex number in the form of exponential form. Okay, here given that here given complex number it is, therefore let z is equal to e to the power, okay, and the complex number in the form of here z is equal to r into e to the power pi by 3i. Therefore we can write r is equal to 1 and theta is equal to, here pi by 3 it is theta, theta is equal to pi by 3. Okay, but this exponential form can be written as in the form of x plus yi. Therefore we know that x is equal to r cos theta, that is r 1 into cos pi by 3, and then it is cos pi by 3, it is 1 by 2 cos 60, and y is equal to r sin theta 1 into sin pi by 3, that is 1 into root 3 by 2. It is the value of x and y, and therefore z is equal to x plus yi, z is equal to 1 by 2 plus root 3 by 2 I. Here given number is in the exponential form, we write in the complex form. It is z is equal to x plus yi. It is a complex number. Now next, e to the power minus 4 pi by 3 I. Okay, again here z is equal to e to the power minus 4 pi by 3 I. That is, this number is in the exponential form, r into e to the power theta I or I theta. Therefore r is equal to 1 and theta is equal to minus 4 pi by 3. Okay, we want to find values of x and y. Therefore x is equal to r cos theta and y is equal to r sin theta. Here again निगेटिव्ह अँगल. ओके, लास्ट एक्झाम्पल मध्ये जसं यूज केलं होतं त्याच पद्धतीने आता निगेटिव्हला पॉझिटिव्ह करा, नंतर अलाइड अँगल फॉर्म्युला यूज करा. नाउ हियर x is equal to r cos theta and r sin theta. Here first we find the value of cos theta and sin theta. Therefore cos theta, that is cos minus pi by 4 pi by 3 is equal to minus cos 4 pi by 3 is equal to, sorry, it is plus. इथं फॉर्म्युला कोणता यूज केला आपण? cos minus theta is equal to cos theta. Okay, now 4 pi by 3, it is cos 4 pi by 3, that means pi plus pi by 3. 3 pi plus pi, it is 4 pi by 3. Again here we use the pi plus theta formula. Cos pi plus theta, it is minus cos theta. Here we use cos pi plus theta is equal to minus cos theta. Okay, and therefore cos minus 4 pi by 3 is equal to minus, and cos pi by 3, it is 1 by 2. Cos pi by 3, it is 1 by 2 and it is minus. Therefore cos minus pi by 4 pi by 3, it is minus 1 by 2. Now sin. Sin minus 4 pi by 3, it is minus sin 4 pi by 3. Here we use sin minus theta is equal to minus sin theta. Sin minus theta is equal to minus sin theta. Again here minus sin 4 pi by 3, it is pi plus pi by 3, then minus, and sin pi plus theta, again it is minus, therefore it is minus sin pi by 3. Here we use sin pi plus theta is equal to minus sin theta. Okay. Now sin minus 4 pi by 3 is equal to, it is minus minus plus, and it is sin pi by 3, sin 60, it is under root 3 by 2. Okay, therefore x is equal to r cos theta, that is r it is 1 into cos theta minus 4 pi by 3, and therefore 1 into cos minus 4 pi by 3, it is minus 1 by 2. Y is equal to r sin theta, therefore 1 into sin minus 4 pi by 3 is equal to, it is sin root 3 by 2, and therefore z is equal to x plus yi. Z is equal to minus 1 by 2 plus root 3 by 2 I. It is a complex number. Z is equal to x plus yi. Okay, see carefully. हे calculation फक्त carefully पहा. e to the power 5 pi by 6 I. Again z is equal to e to the power 5 pi by 6 I. That is r is equal to, that is z is equal to r into e to the power theta I. R is equal to 1 and theta is equal to 5 pi by 6. Theta is equal to, it is 5 pi by 6. Now here, first we find cos pi by 6. Cos 5 pi by 6. It is cos 5 pi by 6. That means pi minus pi by 6. It is 5 pi by 6. Pi minus pi by 6. 6 pi minus 1. It is 5 pi by 6. And it is cos pi minus theta. It is minus cos theta. Okay. Here we use the formula. Okay. Last law the formula. Minus pi by 6. It is root 3 by 2. Here cos 5 pi by 6. It is cos pi minus pi by 6. Okay. याचं जर कॅल्क्युलेशन केलं तर हे येणार. Then it is pi minus theta, and cos pi minus theta, it is minus cos theta, and then it is minus cos pi by 6, and therefore minus cos pi by 6, it is root 3 by 2. Same as a sine. Sine 5 pi by 6, it is sine pi minus pi by 6, and sine pi minus theta, the formula is sine theta, and then it is 1 by 2. Here we use two formulas. Sine pi minus theta is equal to sine theta. It is sine pi minus theta is equal to sine theta, and cos pi minus theta is equal to minus cos theta. Cos pi minus theta is equal to minus cos theta, and therefore x is equal to r cos theta. R it is a 1 into cos 5 pi by 6, and therefore 5 pi by 6, it is minus under root 3 by 2. Y is equal to r sin theta. 1 into sine 5 pi by 6 is equal to 1 into 1 by 2, and therefore z is equal to x plus yi, that is x minus root 3 by 2 plus 1 by 2 I. It is the form of x plus yi.